In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to delete files on a GitHub repository. Whether you're new to GitHub or simply need a refresher, we've got you covered with this straightforward guide. To start, open your preferred web browser. Once it's up and running, you'll want to search for GitHub in the search bar. This should direct you to the main GitHub website. If you already have an account, go ahead and log in using your credentials. For those who are new to GitHub, you'll need to sign up for a new account, which is a simple process involving an email and password creation. Now that you're logged in, it's time to locate the specific repository where the file you want to delete is housed. Navigate through your repositories by going to your profile and selecting the Repositories tab. If your repository list is extensive, you might find it helpful to use the search or filter options to narrow down to the one you need. Once you've found the repository, click on it to open. You should now see a list of files and folders within that repository. Your goal is to first locate the file you wish to delete. Take your time to ensure you've identified the correct file. With the file in your sights, look for an action menu that will allow you to delete the file. On GitHub, this option is typically represented by an icon or menu option, often looking like 3 dots or a trash can icon. Give it a click. You should see the option to Delete File. Selecting this option will take you to a new page, asking you to confirm the deletion. But before we hit that final confirmation, it's important to provide a short yet meaningful commit message. This message serves as a note, offering context for the deletion, such as removed outdated documentation file or deleting redundant script. Crafting a clear and concise message helps maintain transparency and organization within the project, which is especially useful if you're collaborating with others or revisiting the project later. With your commit message in place, the last step is to confirm your changes by clicking the Commit Changes button. Once you press this button, the file will be permanently removed from your repository. It's as simple as that. By following these steps, you've successfully deleted a file from your GitHub repository. Remember, handling files in your repositories with care is crucial to maintaining the integrity of your projects. If you ever make a mistake, GitHub does support restoring deleted files within a certain time frame, so don't worry too much if something goes awry. That wraps up today's tutorial. Thanks for watching, and happy coding!